Welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to a topic decimals. You know that what is decimal? The numbers expressed in decimal forms are called decimals, such as 1.095. This number is in decimal form. A decimal has two parts, namely first part is whole part and second part is decimal part. These parts are separated by a dot called decimal point. The left side of the decimal point is called whole part and the right side after the decimal point is called its decimal part. This number 1 is whole part and 095 is decimal part. Now the second point which is most important is that decimal places. The number of digits contained in the decimal part of a decimal gives the number of decimal places. For example, 1.095 has 3 decimal places. Count the digits after decimal point 1, 2, 3. So it has 3 decimal places. Now another example, 5.74. This number has 2 decimal places. Count the numbers after decimal point 1, 2. Now the third point is like decimals. Decimals having the same number of decimal places are called like decimals, such as 6.73, 8.05. It means when the numbers after decimal points are same, this is called like decimals. After the decimal point, the numbers are 1, 2, the numbers are 1, 2. So it has same number. So it is like decimals. Now, what is unlike decimals? It is opposite of the like decimal. It means decimals having different numbers of decimal places are called unlike decimals, as 7.02, 42.3. It is unlike decimal because after decimal point it has 2 digits and after decimal point it has 1 digit. So it is unlike fraction. Now students, I will teach you how to do addition of decimals number. First you have to convert these numbers in like decimals. Like decimals means after the decimal point the numbers will be same. The maximum number after the decimal points are 1, 2, 3, 4. So you have to convert these numbers after the decimal point with 4. Maximum 4 numbers. So the number is 3.712. After the decimal point it has 3 digits. So 3.712. Increase 1 0. It will become a 4 digit. Second number 5.12. It is 2 digit after the decimal point. Increase 2 0. It will become a 4 digit. Like remaining number like this. Do this 8.1900, 15.71700 and the remaining number is 13.912. Now these numbers are converted into like decimal. Now arrange all the decimals number in column according to their place value. Smaller number is 3.7120. So write this number first in column. I have arranged this number in column method. You all know that how to do decimals and arrange these numbers are in column method. You all know that how to do add. First thing you have to learn that the places on the left side of the decimals are ones, tens, hundred, place and thousand place so and so. And after On the right of the decimal point are 10 place, 100 place and 1000 place and 10,000 place respectively. Now add this number: 8, 2 and 2 4, 9 2 or 1 3, 9 3 12, 12 1 13, 13 7 20, 2 carry, 7 2 9, 10 11, 19 and 1 20, 2 carry, 3 2 5, 5 5 10, 18, 21 26, 2 carry and then 4. Now students, you have learned how to do addition of decimals.